Hello dear friends. We welcome you to our channel. Today we will present you a review of the most stylish and fashionable pixie bob haircut for women. This multi-layer haircut dominates its power of transformation. Pixie bob haircut is distinguished by spectacular volume, easy styling. What is a pixie bob? Layered pixie bob. This haircut is a braided shape with a short neck and longer in the front. The main characteristic features of the haircut are the strands elongated in front, the voluminous part at the crown, and the crown of the head. Pixie bob can be done with any bangs. Usually, girls leave long or asymmetrical bangs. With each new season, stylists are experimenting with the creation of new haircuts and images, improving haircuts without stopping there. Sometimes the fashion for old types of haircuts resumes, only the supply of hairstyles changes, namely combing in different directions or the degree of thinning. Also, pixie bob can be changed with certain types of styling. This haircut is perfect for everyone without exception. She is able to rejuvenate the image and make it even more attractive. Combining two trendy haircuts, girls and women with any facial features will be able to get the proportionality of the oval. The haircut looks chic in natural shades, in platinum color, as well as in various coloring methods. A chic haircut allows a woman to become a young and beautiful lady again. It is noted that the pixie bob is chosen due to its interesting, creative and intriguing stylish shape. Pixie bob perceives any bangs. This allows you to choose a haircut and bangs for a certain type of face. Elongated strands neatly frame the face, thereby hiding many age-related changes. The multi-layer technique in pixie bob allows even thin hair to look voluminous, and thick hair, thanks to graduation, will be obedient and airy. Layered pixie bob, good for a round face. This is a stylish haircut that is popular with many women. Every girl and woman with such a hairstyle looks luxurious and seductive. Pixie bob haircuts are way more versatile than a classic pixie because the longer hair game has fewer styling limitations, and they are more low maintenance than a classic bob since a pixie bob's maximum is somewhere about chin length. A pixie bob cut is perfect for everyday wear as it allows you to tame your hair in a blink of an eye, creating a sophisticated style, which is an office, party, and daily friendly. Another cool thing is that a pixie bob simplifies the life of women living in a hot and humid climate. Also, a pixie bob can easily adjust both to a rebel girl image and to an elegant lady's outfit. A pixie bob haircut is a short hairstyle for women that combines the elements of a classic pixie cut and a bob cut. Usually, the length of these edgy haircuts is between the ear length and neck length, like in a pixie, while the shape is more bob-like. A bob pixie sexy wedge usually features a shorter back section and long layers in the front. Layered bangs and a textured fringe are common too when it comes to cute pixie cuts. Oval, square, and heart-shaped faces work great with most pixie haircut variations. For other face shapes, you should take the pixie cut texture and shape into account. For example, when it comes to round faces, only particular pixie hairstyles with angles and bangs will be able to soften the face's roundness. Dear beauties, creating selections, we sincerely wish you beauty and happiness. Love yourself, take care of yourself, because it is one life. Thank you for watching the review to the end. Best thanks. Subscribe to our channel, put like and click on the bell so you don't miss new video reviews. Up to new meetings.